Trailing stop orders are a type of conditional stop order that automatically adjusts as the market price and asset changes. Traders use them when they are looking to protect current gains in a trade. When using trailing stops, the position will only close once a certain retracement loss amount occurs. Now, taking a look at Kraken Pro, this is Polkadot on the daily chart. This asset is near its yearly high. And now that we're at this resistance, or at least close to it, there's a possibility for a breakout. There's also a possibility that we could see rejection from this point. So I don't want to take a loss in the event of a rejection of resistance. And what I can see is that we have from here to the resistance about 3%. And if we do get to that point with a pullback, I want to be exiting the position upon that rejection. And we can see that I also have Polkadot in my balance, 50 Polkadot, and I would like to exit that position in full in the event of rejection of this zone. So looking at the order form, you can select sell. Once you've done that, go to the order type drop down and then select trailing stop order. Once that is selected, we can then adjust the percent. We select 3.3%, and on the right you can see you can either select percent amount or US dollar amount. And I want to ensure that I'm getting out of the entire position in the event of a rejection. We can now select sell dot. And now to ensure that this order has been placed, we can go to the previews button on the top of this chart. Select previews and go down to open and trigger orders, select this button, and now you can see, all right, the sell trailing stop order is currently live in the market. It is currently 3.3% below the current price. Now let's take a look at this chart a little bit closer, and we'll let this play out so we can watch the trailing stop order move with the price action. Alright, so that completes the tutorial for the trailing stop order. This is a new order type on Kraken Pro, so be sure to sign up for Kraken Pro, hit the like button on this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.